Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a fall reset and decor. Keep on watching to see how I get my space together for the season. We're starting with the living room. As you can see, the living room is chaotic. Let's ignore the tag out my dress this whole video because I did not notice until I was editing. But I was so excited to do this video because I just had a few ideas to getting the space together that screams fall in my way. So we're going to start out by just sweeping the area, sweeping the rug, and just tidying up a bit, clearing out the space, just so we can start putting the pieces together. We're going to remove August's pillows, which was like blues, hues of blues, light browns. Yeah, we're not doing blue no more. We're going full on dark, just how I like it. So we're pulling out the brown pillows, really fluffing up the couch pillows, and just propping them all up. And if you pay attention, the living room picture has been switched from the spring summer picture to the fall. So I alternate between these pictures because it definitely sets the mood and the tone for the season. The throws that I'm using on my couch, I've thrifted, and when I tell you they feel amazing, the other throw you're gonna see me use is actually a Studio McGee throw, and I've actually seen this throw, and to get it for the price I did, y'all, ecstatic. And I was actually eyeballing this throw at Target, and to stumble on it was crazy. But as you can see, I'm just playing with my throws, seeing how I want it to lay on the couch, and just going back and forth as I have my buddy here playing on the side as I do this, because as a mother we have to multitask. Okay, and as I said, I was too excited to get certain things together and just bring my vision to life. Now, the way I'm setting up this throw, I got this idea from Cozy Home Queen, I think. I love her content. It's so cozy just by the name, and the way she set up her throw behind her pillows, I was like, yes, this is how I want to do it from now on. It really brings a pop of color to the couch and just brings fall. That orange is needed. So now I'm using my home spray, just freshen it up. Okay, brown sugar scented, just fall, just cozy. I've had these vases by my fireplace. Now Hobby Lobby was having the sale. It was 40% off all like floral arrangements. When I tell you, I rushed to Home Goods for these pieces. I only got 3, and I was thinking about going back for more, but I just didn't want to overdo it because I'm like, where am I going to put it? So I got these 2 colors, which is the burgundy and the burnt orange, for the vases. Now, warning, it has a smell to it, so I've been literally spraying them with my home spray, like my linen spray, just to remove the scent. I don't know if it's like the dye that's on the full flowers, but yeah, I just don't like it. That's the only con for it. But when I tell you it's vibrant and it screams fall, like, it really brought like life to my fireplace. Instead of just having vases just there, it adds a little pizzazz. Let's get into the hallway. So I have a mini hallway by my guest bathroom that I tend to dress up. So as you can see, I'm just clearing it out, all the stuff that was on it, wiping it down as you should. Okay, I'm using my all-purpose cleaner, my favorite one, and I'm gonna just wipe down that mirror real quick before we start dressing it up. I want it kind of dark, just like the pieces in my living room, so we're going with black and burgundy. So as you can see, just wiping it down real quick. This is really one of my favorite mirrors. I got this from HomeSense a few years back, and so I just felt like this would be the perfect place. For some reason, I have an obsession with mirrors, and if you've been paying attention to my video, I have mirrors all over the house. I don't know why, I just love a good mirror. Can't tell you why, I just love a good mirror. I feel like it just brings the place together, just like pictures would. So I have this stand. I'm putting back this picture frame that I love so much. This candle I got from TJ Maxx. I just love the black. Now I had these vases for my gender reveal and I spray painted them matte black. The finish on this spray paint was superb. Now if I can find the name, I will link it down below. Got it on Lowe's. And those faux leaves, those burgundy leaves, I actually got them from Dollar Tree. I thought they would be a really cute little pick-me-up for the vases, especially that I wanted to add some dark colors into the vases. I didn't just want them sitting there since it's prominently just black. So that's what we got. The picture of my dry hydrangeas, I think that's what it's called, and just the candle and the stand and the leaves in the vase. I just felt like it pulled this vase all together with just a nice cozy vibe. Now onto this vase revamp. Now I had a vase by my mirror in my kitchen that broke, and I had this other vase just somewhere sitting. I painted it black 2 years ago when I moved into the house, but as you can see, it has some wear and tear. So I really wanted to give it a distressed look, a revamped look, and just kind of like a crack aesthetic to it, like, you know, like the black peeking through underneath, but just white, just for like more, how can I say it, texture, more texture. So I'm putting the plaster just all over, and I got this plaster from Dollar Tree, believe it or not, and I'm just smearing it everywhere because I just want like a chalky texture to the vase. So that's what we're gonna do. And after that, I basically lay on some thick paint, but I'm not actually coating it completely white. As I said, I wanted the black to crack through. So as you see, I'm putting the plaster through where I want it to be. I let it dry, and then I apply the paint. Now that we're done with the vase, I bought these beautiful faux leaf bouquet, I think, from Hobby Lobby. It still had that scent like the other ones, but it's, you know, with a good room spray, it's just gonna go away eventually. So I'm stuffing the vase to give it more height, and then I'm gonna just feather it out. Like, look how this vase came all together and how that burgundy just pulled it all together. Like, it's just gorgeous. It's making a statement piece. I really hope you guys love this fall revamp in both my hallway, my living room, and near my dining area. There's more videos to come. Please leave a comment, a like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.